Since as early as 1882, there has been a school in Tvøroyri. Over the years, it has expanded and been renovated numerous times, especially as the population grew and grew some 100 years ago. Today, there are some 270 students. There is a school for young children up to 4th grade located in Tvøroyri, while students in the 5th to 10th grades attend the school in Tvøroyri. The first secondary school, Realskolen, outside the capital, Tórshavn, was built in Tvøroyri, and the school has hosted quite a few students over the years who have benefited from the advanced education offered at the school. The school principal is Ewan Johansson, and the vice principal is Finn Thomsen. Here at Torstensson is responsible for the day-to-day oversight of the young children's school in Tvøroyri.